I will remove all the walls I have drawn right now to show our option of drawing wall, and go back to my tool of drawing wall. Choose line first, and what I recommend is to focus on the option bar, which is right over here, before you start creating any wall. If we set all the settings right now before we click anytime at this wall, Revit will automatically remember our settings, so we wouldn't have to change them afterward. So first option is the way we describe our wall. So when you select height, you draw wall up from the current level. When you select depth option, you draw wall from the current level down. Might be used for the foundation wall. Now we are creating our ground floor wall, so height will be right recommended. Next option is the height of our wall. So I recommend to top constraint to the level above, +1 floor. Next is location line. Mostly common location line which I recommend in my practice of architect, I recommend core center line for every wall. Rarely I needed any other location line, because for example for interior walls, wall center line and core center line, they are the same, but core center line are very important for our structure walls and exterior walls. But we have also option to finish face exterior, finish face interior, core face exterior, core face interior. So you can use them as well. To show that, I will draw a rectangle. I will change type for exterior wall with more complex structure, like exterior brick on CMU. I will change detail level for fine to see structure of our walls. Now I mark all the walls and show you that location line for them are wall center line. But I will change for this to core center line, for this to finish face exterior, and this one will be core face interior. And as you can see, every wall has different location line, and only thing which is different for them is the location of these two dots of the beginning and the end of the wall. So this is our wall center line, and our location line is right in the middle of the wall. Right here is right in the middle of the structure. Here we set finish face exterior, so as you can see my dots are right on the finish face exterior, and here core face interior, so it's right on the core face interior. Another thing which is might important that to create our location line is the way they are changeable. So if we mirror our wall, which location line is wall center line, and change wall orientation from outside to inside, as you can see the location of the wall doesn't change. But if we do it right over here where we have a finish face exterior, as you can see the location of my wall change according to the location line. So I will remove this wall, and let's go back to the option bar of our walls. Another thing that we can set right here is chain. So this means that we will automatically draw a chain of wall, which is my use. And we can even create offset for our lines. So if we choose to pick lines, we can set an offset for the core center line for our walls, so it might be used. Next, we can even set a radius if we want to draw a wall as an arc. So as I said before, if we set our options right over here by using option bar, before we start creating any wall, Revit will automatically remember our setting. And now we can start to draw any wall we want it. And if we choose to exit our tool of wall, if we set it one more time, as you can see, Revit remembered our settings as well, and go to draw another wall.